Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to change font size of submenu drop down in Elementor mobile in WordPress. So this is our menu. So this is our drop down. Now you see about. In about you see who we are, how we work, but you see same font size. So we are going to change font size for submenu drop down in Elementor mobile in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add custom CSS. So first we are going to find out submenu drop down ID or class by using inspect element. Right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see class elementor-sub-item. So when we hover on it, then on screen you see this section highlight on screen how we work, and then how we work are using class elementor-sub-item. So this class we are going to use in custom CSS. Now go to Elementor header. So this is our menu. Go to advanced. So you can add ID or class in WordPress menu, and then we are going to use the combination of ID or class with submenu item class. So we are going to add CSS ID, font size, submenu. So you can add ID name according to requirement and then click on publish. Now copy this. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. So we are going to add ID. Now you see we added hash and then you see ID. Now we are going to add class. Go to inspect element. Now copy this. Now paste. And then we are going to change font size. Now we are going to set font size 20 pixel and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to mobile, refresh the page. Now Elementor mobile open and then you see menu, expand it. Now you see sub menu item. Again click on it. Now you see font size decrease for sub menu item. So we added CSS ID or class in WordPress menu. Now you see, and then in customize section we are using this hash font size sub menu, and then you see dot elementor sub item font size 20 pixel and then click on publish. Now you see, now expand service. Again you see font size change. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.